I just think about if I finally achieve the success that I'm looking for, like I'm a level 2, 3 levels beyond this, what would I actually literally be doing? Like all day long, what would I be doing? And I just think, why don't I just do that right now? Because I feel like, what is it I'm waiting for? Is it like a certain revenue goal? Is it a certain number of students? Like when is the, and so, a lot of the time I think like, well, if I were more successful, I'd probably be, reading all the time, 'cause I love reading. I'd be practicing even more. I would always be like bettering myself and learning things. I'd be going out with my wife every day and just exploring different parts of the city. I'd be traveling and all that. So that's what I do. I just think like, why not just start doing this now? And then I schedule my schedule, and I've also constructed these programs, honestly, so that I'm able to do this already. Yeah. And it creates a positive loop.